can't see my chat. I can see my chat. So I believe we are live on YouTube. I'm here to show you how to edit on your Capcut. Let's switch that. Go to Capcut. And let's go over here. Okay, this is my Capcut. So as you all know, this is editing on Capcut. Quick editing on Capcut. Let me just quickly check if you guys can see me clearly on YouTube. Let me check there. Check there. Let me search for my page. Mine's. Make sure that everybody can see me clearly. Mine's comedy. Hold up. Please don't
Power off.
It's okay. Okay. It just happened to me. So we are live. We are live. So let me show you how to edit on Capcut. Sorry. First of all, you got to open your Capcut like this. You got to open your Capcut like this. This is the interface of Capcut. What you are seeing on your screen is the interface of Capcut. On the up bar, you have your importation bar where you import your media, audio, text, sticker, effects, transition, caption, filter, adjustment, templates, and AI avatar. It's on the top bar. You can set it up here. Then in this corner bar, I'm going to explain the tools. This one is when you click on media, you have your import where you got to bring in your importation sub projects. Like you had a project that you saved but it's not complete. I think you import it through here. Then yours, like all the presets you have saved, you got to keep it here. And these are general AI for creating AI tools. Like you want to generate AI videos, there is now easy way to do it. There is Seed Dreams, there is Google Image, there is more Seed Dreams. There's Nano Banana Pro here, and Seed Dreams, Seed Dream 5, Seed Dream 2, Seed Dream, all of them, they are here. That's to generate image. Then on generating a video, we have Seed Dance. We have Seed Dance. We have Sora 2. They even have Sora 2. Oh wow. And Google Image, Google AI. So you can just basically generate your video inside Capcut now, for those of you that are doing AI. Then in space, I don't think I have touched here before. In space, okay, this is like the videos that I have edited so far that I have managed to save up to my cloud, which I did not send to save up to my cloud. Anyways, now library. Under library, you can see here, these are like stock videos. Those videos that you use, like subscribe button, like button, and a lot of other stock videos, your ending template and your beginning template. Then here, Dreamia. I don't even know what this is. I'm not gonna lie. I've not used this before. So let's go on that. Let's talk about importation now. So to import your videos in Capcut, you got to click under media, then go under import, then you see this import button. You can click it, or you can just go to your folder, drag and drop. So, but now I'm going to click here. I'm sorry. What's that? I'm sorry. So when you come here, you click under media, then you click import, drag and drop a video, photo or audio here. So you just click here. I have my video on that folder, so I'm going to locate that folder now, and that folder name is job 3. So I'm going to import that. So I will now open job 3. I will now select a particular video I want to edit. Today I'm going for, let me go for I'll choose one of these files. Okay, let me choose her first. So I'll drop her here. Now this is the video that we're going to start editing with, this particular clip right here. So now that I've dragged this one and put it in my timeline, here is my timeline. This whole space is my timeline where I get to make changes to my videos. So all the changes I'm going to make to my videos will be applied down here. It will be applied down here. As you can see, this is my timeline. So these are my tools bar. All here are my tools bar. This is display, my timeline display. This display what changes I am making to my timeline. And these are the corresponding changes I can actually apply to my timeline. Like if I unselect a video, you can see this place disappears. If I select a video, it appears. So these are like options that I can make to a particular video. So let's go back. Let's start with the first two. This particular tool here is to create new timeline. Like I don't want to edit in this timeline anymore. I don't want to edit in this timeline. I will now click create new timeline. It creates new timeline where I can drag new videos and put in that particular timeline. So that is what here does. Now we have timeline 1 and timeline 2, which is currently empty. Let's say this is our timeline 2. This is to create new timeline. Like you don't want to edit in the first timeline, you will now come and create in your second timeline. Let's Control Z that because we don't need the second timeline. Now we are back to our original timeline. Now we'll now click here. This is selection 2. This is a split 2. This is a fast forward 2, and this is select right 2. You can see their shortkeys here. If you press A in your keyboard, you click on your selection 2. B in your keyboard, you click on your split 2. I don't know what this is called, but I'm just call that bracket in your keyboard. You click back select 2. So what this select left word key does, select left word key, what it does is that, let me say this is my selected timeline and I want to just like play back. How does this one work? Ladies and gentlemen. It does not work like the way I'm thinking it. So sorry, my people. Sure. This is supposed to play back now. Like, anyways, we'll figure that as we go. But this one, I don't really use. I have not really used these two tools because I don't have use for them. I only use my selection tool and maybe my split tool. This one, you use it to split your timeline like this. As you can see, that's to chop your videos into fine grains, and the shortcut is B. So let's make that big. So let's click on our selection tool. I'll now go to the timeline. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with. Let me zoom that in. Shit. Look at that look. She's giving me bombastic side eye. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with
Silver.
Dang. So you see that right there. I need to centralize my image. So now that I've centralized my image by scaling it up and adjusting the... Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with
Silver.
Adjusting the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles. Ladies and gentlemen. 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 Ladies and ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and ladies and ladies and
Are you guys seeing that each time I
ladies and
pause
gentlemen,
it
ladies and
and play, it start again? Now, I don't think that Capcut, I think Capcut's desktop is not yet being well corrected. I don't know how to put it. They have not yet figured out the desktop app because it misbehaves a lot. It has a lot of lagging, a lot of things you don't want to see. But whenever something you don't understand happens, don't go and be looking for settings to correct it. Just close it. You know you are not the cause. Close it, then open the project again.
ladies and gentlemen, it's
So
your boy.
now you see now the timeline has corrected itself. So now let's start with the first 2 year. The first 2 year is like you're splitting two. Then this is split right, like you split it and make it to go right. Like I want to cut this particular place on the timeline, and I want to delete the right side of it. Then I will now split right. You see, it just trimmed it and deleted that part of the timeline of the image I trimmed. Control Z. Now, if I want to split left, like I want to cut here and delete, sorry, if I want to split right, the other one is split left. If I want to split right, then I will now do the same thing for my timeline. So I will now split right. You see, I cut it and now deleted whatever that is remaining here. Let's Control Z that to bring that back to the timeline. So that is the basic tool. Now this one now is to delete everything on the timeline. Let's Control Z that. This you're deleting too. Now this one is to set markers like, okay, here you wanted to do a particular adjustment on the particular timeline. I'll now say add a little bit marker to remind me of the timeline. I'll now add marker. You see the marker now. I just seen the marker. So you can delete or edit marker. Now you can change the color of the marker, rename the marker, whatever. Now this one, this is a marker. You just add it to there to remind you of something, and I think you use it to actually key in voice. Those of you that does a voice matching or voice synchronization, yeah, you use that. They use that too a lot. So those are for mature dictators, like people that are pro. All right, so this is a crop tool. Use it to crop your image to your choice. Let's say I just want here in my particular imagery, so I would just say confirm. It will automatically crop that image for me like that, but I don't want to crop it, so we'll Control Z. Now these tools is like freeze. Use it to freeze your clip. Let me say I want to freeze this timeline now. I have frozen it. It's now a still image. You can see this one is a still image. So those of you that want to do quick effect like like just zoom in the person's face reaction, these are the tools to use. Control Z. Now where was I? This is like reverse to, if I click on it, the clip will reverse. Let me just quickly cut a bit and just reverse that so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's use our split tool first. I will now select this one. I want to reverse this one so that I'll show you what I'm talking about. Reverse. You can see that the old tools has been reversed. It looks like I'm speaking Chinese, so that's what that does. Now this is a mirror image. Like I'm facing right, I want to be facing left. So I will now do a mirror image. That's what that does. Control Z. Control Z. All right. So what else? Now this is like a rotation tool. You use it to rotate your image 360 all around. So that's it. I think I have explained the basics of it. Yeah, I think I have explained the basics there. So basically that is it, and that is that for that. All right. All right, all right. Now let's go to the next part of it, which is transcript. Transcript is like running. Let me just show you what transcript does. Let me explain first. Transcript is like you run it by voice, by words, so that you cut all the filtered words, like words, things that you don't need. So it will, if I click on this transcript now, it will actually run this by caption. Then now delete all the unwanted vocals inside. So that's what transcript actually does. So let me click on it. It will analyze it. When it's done analyzing it, it will now remove all the impurities, all the rubbish, all the unwanted parts in the audio. So that's what transcript does. And I should also mention you have to have a decent network. Capcut does not work offline. You have to have an online data to use it. So you see, it already shows me. This is my transcript of the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with
Silver.
Stop now. You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet. So to cut a long story short, there are 7 books in a library. You took 2. How many left?
5.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh wow, very intelligent. You are incorrect.
Serious.
How many left the library?
2.
So that's just basically
No, yeah, it's 2.
now just basically this is the unfiltered moments you people don't see on a videography or video editing. So I don't want to use transcript. I want to do it manually. I will cut what I don't need out, and then I will leave what I need in this particular clip. Now AI extend is like I want to extend here in the video. I want it to be longer. For those of you like, this guy should have stand here a little bit longer, you can actually add that to your video. So let me say, I will say AI extend. So you see, it's actually extending that particular side of the clip to make it a bit longer. So now it shows me the distance I want it. Then I'll now prompt what I need. I will now prompt what I need. I don't even know how to prompt it. You can literally write anything like, no, I don't want to use my coin because it actually uses 28 what's it called, Capcut coin, and I don't want to use my coin on this tutorial because this is not the kind of things I want to use AI on. But you shall get the idea. You just prompt what you need here, and that's it. So that's that for that. Now, to the next part. I think the next part should be select your timeline. Have I explained this? Yes. AI edits. AI edits image, video just by describing what you want. Okay. So now this one is like AI will just help you edit the image and the video by just describing it to the AI, and it will automatically just do the edit for you. And that's something I want to explore later because I have not tried that yet. This is like background remover for those of you that want to remove background of the video and then add maybe another background. Or those of you that do voiceover, indoor shot, talking head videos, they're the ones that use this. If I click on background remover, it will run it. As you can see, it will run it and remove the background for me. Then I will now place the background wherever I want. So yes, confirm, stop generating. As you can see, this is auto adjust lighting, like just automatically adjust my lighting for editing. I think it's too bright though. So then let's see. Let me set that in the full screen. Not bad. But I don't really use all those editing because I just shot it direct and it's supposed to the more natural it is for me the better. Then this one is to enhance my video. Like, please don't use all these ones. Just leave it here. Just leave it here. Just leave everything there. This like for voice reducing of a noise and all that, voice filtering and all that stuff. HD and this to extract audio from video. Like you need the audio from the video, this to extract it. So I believe these are the tools. I have explained the tools to the best of my knowledge, and if I have any other updates to tell you, I will let you know. For that, let me just quickly edit this one so that you see. I will not explain why I'm editing. That's why I just took my time to explain all the tools so that you follow up. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is...
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with...
I selection to, I was splitting to, I have now split my timeline. There's a little bit gap here before she answers me. I don't want that quietness. I delete right.
Silver.
So before I do my I wanna split again.
Stop now.
The makes me sound unprofessional. I don't want it. I deleted that part.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet?
So I'll now split. I'll split again.
So to cut a long story.
So there's a little bit fumble here in the words. I'll delete. I would cut and delete left. Cut and delete left.
To cut a long story short.
Now split again.
There are 7 books in a library.
Split again. Oh, my nose is itching me. I don't know why. Split again.
You took 2. How many left?
Split again. There's a little bit of quietness before she responds to that, so I'm gonna
5.
So I'm gonna split again.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh wow. Very intelligent. You are incorrect.
Serious.
How many left the library?
So I don't want the answer to
2.
be in the video, so I'm gonna just cut that.
2.
So I don't want this part of the video. I don't want this part to be in the video, so I'm gonna just quickly delete that. I think with that, I'm done with the cutting or the removing the part I don't need in this particular video. So
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with...
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet? To cut a long story short...
There's a little bit silent video here. I don't think I need that, so I'm gonna remove that by just selecting.
To cut a long story short, there are 7 books in a library. You took 2. How many left?
5.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh wow. Very intelligent. You are incorrect.
Serious.
So with that, we're done with that, and then I'll now go to the next thing to be done. I'll first of all go to audio. No, I'll go to effects. I'll now apply the effect I need. There are 2 effects I use. This here, zoom lens to zoom my image while introducing myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
Yeah, just that. This one is just to add.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
Silver.
So I'm gonna just scale it up and then drag it to our face.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
Silver.
That's it. That's basically it for this intro, and you can already see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the second effect, which is glitch, and the camera glitch to it, and that's it. Nope. Yeah, I think I like this one. Just quickly, I just like to place it somewhere around here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Too much, too far.
ladies and gentlemen,
Now, how much I want the glitch amount, strength.
ladies and gentlemen,
There's this blinking I don't like. Glitch flicker. There's this particular glitch I don't like in the distance. The noise should be down to the size.
ladies and gentlemen,
I don't think I like this glitch. Did it? I don't like it black and white. There's a whole lot of bunch of glitch. Yeah, I think that one is okay. This one will work. Just a little bit glitch.
ladies and gentlemen.
So now that I'm done with this beginning, I will now go to the next thing, sound effects. So I will now go under audio. Capcut has effects, bunch of effects you can use. You can search them by name and so on and so forth. So I will now look for a riser. There's this one called metallic riser. You can use all those ones, but I'm just gonna look for riser. Yeah, this one keeps that suspense, like something's gonna happen.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
So I'm gonna end it there. So I'm gonna look for another one which is glitch also to add to that glitchy sound.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
Silver.
I think I'm gonna take this one down a bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
Silver.
You want to pierce my.
So,
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with.
Silver.
so I'll now go. If you still have your own sound that extracts if you still know you have your own sound that you are going to use, like you have it in a folder like as I do. Where is it? Under music, sound, new. I need to extract this raw sound. Open. I think that's the one. Drag and drop. You can just still do that too.
You want to pierce, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet.
Now I wanna add my meme. Like I love adding memes to my videos these days. So I'm gonna import the new folder of sound. I put my videos under on my main videos under sound. This way I don't get to look for them under new. Let's just sort that by type folder. So I wanna look for new folder. Then I wanna look for like I'm shaking my camera. All right. I just like gimbal. It's just so balanced. All right. So let's go down. These are all memes. There is this particular meme. I hope I did not paste it somewhere else. You are a bad boy. I don't want to play it here because of copyright.
You're a bad boy.
Just add that.
Bad boy.
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet.
So I want to add that.
Pierce my heart with a silver bullet.
So I'm just gonna cut and delete left.
You're a bad boy.
Cut and delete right. So I will now, if you notice the meme bar is small, so I'm gonna adjust that to fit my screen. And then I'm gonna crop it to remove the blacks around the edges. I'm gonna crop that to remove the blacks around the edges, like so. Now I'm going to fill in all these blacks with like blur for the canvas. So if you notice this side, I came to the options and I located canvas. You drop that menu of the canvas, I will now see blur. It will load up screens for me. So notice the edges are now blur. Here is blur, here is blur. This is before, where is before? So Control Z. This is before, and this is after. All right.
You're a bad boy.
So I'm gonna adjust that.
To cut a long story short, there are.
So I'm gonna also scale that up and then adjust to taste. I'm just gonna keep adjusting to.
To cut a long story short, there are 7 books in a library.
There's 7 books in a library. So I'm gonna cut here.
There are 7 books in a library. You took 2. How many left?
So I'm gonna zoom into a face and then take it down a bit.
How many left?
5.
You took 2. How many left? You took 2. How many left?
5.
2.
I want to just make changes to these two clips at once. I want to consider these two clip group. Okay. So I cannot, it did not work. I just wanted to make changes to the two at once. There was something called link. I think that's in Premiere Pro. You use it to link. Oh, yes, that does it for me. Nope, rank it bigger. I think this is the biggest I have made it. This guy so far.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
5.
All light from him, I hear what TV they talk. You say waiting. TV they talk. You say waiting. All light from him, I hear what TV they talk. All light from him, I hear what TV they talk. All light from him, I hear what TV they talk.
Yes.
Are you sure?
All light from him, I hear what TV they talk.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All light from him, I hear what TV they talk.
So I think I'll just end it by adding my alien. My alien is sound. So I'm gonna go under audio, under EOS, then extract audio from a video. I think that's basically it. Basically it. Basically it. Basically.
Oh wow, very intelligent. Oh wow, very intelligent. You are incorrect.
So there's not too much doing when it comes to meme making.
Are you sure? Oh wow, very intelligent. You are incorrect.
0.
So I'm gonna add my last member by just going here and then just looking for. There are two that is coming up to my head. I think this one. I think this one. I'll just add this one to this. And whenever you want to make a trim on your timeline direct, like you don't want to use the pen tool, please make sure you select the video, because if you don't select, you make adjustment to the two clips left and right. You delete this one to add that one. I don't know if you deleted this one to add this one. But whenever you select it, if you select it, it will only make adjustment to that particular one that is selected. So do not forget that. Let's adjust this now. Now remember I said adding your what? Canvas. Now let's say, and you can actually make this adjustment to appear in all your videos. So I'm gonna drag that a bit, centralize to my taste. Now I'm going to select all to do my last trick on, not exactly the last trick, but yes, select all, minimize. I will now unselect the main bar, control select, unselect, and then control unselect. Then I need to just make the audio clearer or more clear or more perfect or whatever you call it. You can come here, then you see audio enhance, then reduce it to 50%. That's the one for me. So that's that for that. We'll now get a clear audio.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet?
You are a bad boy.
To cut a long story short, there are 7 books in a library. You took 2. How many left?
5.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All light from him, I hear what TV talk.
Oh wow, very intelligent. You are incorrect.
Serious.
So that's it. So today I was planning on just adding the name of the guest without adding caption, to see the way they perform, to see difference in performance, if maybe without caption is better or with caption is better. You know, sometimes you don't need to add caption to everything you're doing. So I think this street interview performs better without caption. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a name. I'm just going to only add a name, which is so this is it. As I was saying, I'm sorry I had to reply a message. Well, as I was saying, I'm just going to add a name. What's that name again? What's that name? What is your name? All right. My name is Silver. Let's go over to test. Then go to yours. I have some template that I've already saved. Kickoff.
Silver bullet. Silver bullet.
So I'm going to drop that around here.
Silver.
You want to
So I'm just going to just edit a name. And Silver. Is that correct? I don't think that's correct. Sliver. Silver. Oh, my bad. Please make sure you do your research before you go and spell somebody's name wrongly. You have to forgive my messy typing. I'm not very good at all this typing stuff. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just keep this down.
with
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a You want to pierce my heart with... Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy.
So I'm gonna just choose a template again and then just add my name. Choose a different template, free template. There's a lot to choose from. I think I should use this one. Let it download. Like as I said, you have to use you have to wait for a clear internet. So I'm gonna just go ahead and then go this. And just quickly just drag that down and then put it there.
And I'm here with...
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet? And I'm here with...
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet?
You are a bad boy.
To cut a long story short, there are 7 books in a library. You took 2. How many left?
5.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles and I'm here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles and I'm here with...
Silver.
You want to pierce...
I think this one is a bit too distracting. It's not distracting, but I don't like it that big. A little bit smaller. Yep.
my heart with a silver bullet.
You are a bad boy.
To cut a long story short, there are books in a library. You took 2. How many left?
5.
Now this one saves me a lot of time. I think I'm done here. Then all you have to do now is export. So let's watch it one more time to be sure. There's other things. There are like color grading. If you want a video on color grading, please let me. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll make a video specifically to that topic on my next stream. For now, thank you and take care. Peace out. I need to show you. Sorry, don't peace out yet. Let me show you how to export. Now you can export and will not look for your file. I'm just waiting so that the effects we applied, there's 2 effects that are still waiting to be processed. The voice effect is waiting to be processed and another one is waiting to be processed. So once I'm done with these 2, we will now proceed to the next. But for now, just give me 5. Okay, it's the last one. Hold on. I'll wait for the last one. Hold on. The camera moves left and right. It follows me. I'm making this the reason why the camera is following me in a 360 manner is because I'm using a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Very good camera. I did not know that it would be this perfect for streaming and free streaming. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm done here. So we'll now click on export. We'll now click on Silver VER. Silver. So you now click on location. You now select where the video will appear. Let me say you want it to appear in a particular folder, videos, under new job or just completed job, you can also create new folder and then just title that one completed job. Then select the folder. For instance, let me say this is the folder you created. I don't want to create new folder. Use the folder you created, and then you now click select folder, and automatically your video will go there and save. You won't have to look for it, but I know where this folder is already. This video is already going to save. It's going to save under the automatic Capcut folder, which all my videos saves there. So I will now click here to open that particular folder where it's saved. See, so I will now click on export.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Miles, and I'm here with
Silver.
You want to pierce my heart with a silver bullet?
You are a bad boy.
To cut a long story short, there are 7 books in a library. You took 2.
I don't want it to play anymore. Open folder. If you have difficulty locating where your video saved, just click on open folder here. Then you can see it there, silver. So I'll now go to my what's it called, my app, because I love posting with my phone. Local send. Easy way to transfer from your phone to your iPhone. You need to download the local send app. It works wonders for me. This is the local send app. I'll now just save, drag, and drop to my local send, ready to be sent. So immediately you now see the device that you want to send to. I don't know why it names the device like this, but yeah, it's broccoli, energetic broccoli. So I select it. It will now ask on my device to send. As you can see, it's asking me to accept the file, so I accept. With that, I have transferred it to my device. I can now go and post it on my social media. You can post on your PC directly and use your apps on your PC. I don't trust laptops. Since my Telegram got hacked, I don't really trust laptop like that. It's not that secure for me. So guys, that